Human supervision is expensive in machine learning. More importantly, it's often a weak learning signal. Labels usually force a model to learn only what we explicitly ask for, instead of discovering the structure that already exists in the data. That is why self-supervised learning matters. In self-supervised learning, the model creates its own supervision signal. This gives the model freedom to learn invariances, semantics, and structure directly from raw data. In vision, early self-supervised methods were dominated by convolutional neural networks. At the same time, transformers were becoming extremely powerful in natural language processing, largely because of self-supervision. So the natural question was, can we bring the same idea to vision? This is exactly what Dino does. Dino introduces vision transformers into self-supervised learning and shows something surprising. Vision transformers are not just competitive with CNNs, they can actually outperform same-sized CNNs in self-supervised settings. Even more interesting, they learn strong semantic representations. Without labels, Dino can produce attention maps that align with objects and parts of the image. Now let's talk about the core idea. Dino uses the teacher-student architecture. There are two networks with the same architecture. The student network is trained normally using backpropagation. The teacher network does not receive gradients at all. Here, stop gradient. Instead, the teacher is updated as an exponential moving average or EMA of the student. This is where the name Dino comes from. It stands for self-distillation with no labels. But this is not classical knowledge distillation. There is no pre-trained teacher. The teacher slowly evolves from the student itself. The training objective is simple. The student is trained to predict the softmax outputs of the teacher. The loss used is plain cross entropy. This is very different from contrastive learning. There are no negative samples, no contrastive pairs, no info NCE loss. Despite this simplicity, the EMA teacher plays a crucial role. It moves smoothly, acting as a stable target for the student. Additional techniques like centering are used to prevent any single embedding dimension from dominating the representation. The result is a stable, non-contrastive, self-supervised framework that works remarkably well for vision transformers.